XrsBeauty.
You know, you don't
Listen.
you know, so we ain't really never had no old
It's
money.
giving natural. It's my scalp.
We got a whole lot of new money though.
Dash squad. So I'm back with another video. We have a video for you all by XrsBeauty. So y'all know I love this company because their lace is always the bomb. It's clear, you can see right through it. It makes me mad when I'm putting it on because you can see right through it, and it's so good that sometimes you can see the cap too good. So let's get right into this. They sent me over an 18-inch number 4. So this is my first time trying this color, and it's 200% density. But of course they sent us over some goodies, so I'm going to show you guys those goodies on the screen, and I'm going to show you the 3 different types of lace they sent over. So let's jump right into that. So they sent over a brown lace, a transparent lace, and a clear lace. So we're going to show you guys the clear lace and how good it is. So I'm going to put it on my arm. I'm going to do each one. I'm going to spray it.
Raindrop. You know, so we ain't really never had no old money. We got a whole lot of new money though. Hey! Raindrop. Top, smoking no cook in the hot pot. Smoking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up over the crock pot. We came from nothing to something. I don't try nobody, quit the trick. All of the king and they come and get dang. I mean, your river give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up with a oozing. Savage, ruthless. We got cutters and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Looking up with a Uzi. Savage, ruthless. We got cutters and 100 rounds too.
Records on records, got backers on backers. I'm riding around in a coupe. I take your beat right from you. Bitch, I'm a dog. Woo. Beat the whole walls loose. Hop in the frog. Woo. I tell that bitch to come for me. I swear these under me. The hate and the devil keep jumping me. Back rows on me, keep me company. Hey, we did the most. Yeah, pull up and goes. Yeah, my diamonds a choker. Holding up fire with no holster. Read the ruler, diamond cooler. This a roller, not a mule. Dabbing on them like the usual. Magic with the brick do voodoo. Courtside with a bad bitch. Then I send the bitch through Uber. I'm young and rich and plus I'm bougie. I'm not stupid, so I keep the Uzi. Records on records, got backers on backers, so my money making my back ache. You got a low act rate. We from the north, yeah, that way. Fat cookie blunt in the ashtray. You bitches just national smash day. Hop in the limb, have a drag race. I let them birds take a bath, babe.
Raindrop. Top, smoking no cook in the hot pot. Cooking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up over the crock pot. Came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, quit the trick. All of the king and they come and get dang. Call me your river, give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up with a Uzi. It's a savage, ruthless. We got cutters and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up with a Uzi. It's a savage, ruthless. We got cutters and 100 rounds too. You know, you don't really, you know, so we ain't really never had no old money.
We got a whole lot of new money though. Raindrop. So we ain't really never had no old money. We got a whole lot of new money though.
Raindrop, tough, smoking no cook in the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something. I don't try nobody, quit the trigger body. All of the king and they come and get dang. I mean, you never give you what you shit. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up with a Uzi. Savage, ruthless. We got cutters and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Looking up with a Uzi. Savage, ruthless. We got cutters and 100 rounds too.
Records on records, got backers on backers. I'm riding around in a coupe. I take your beat right from you. Bitch, I'm a dog. Woo. Beat the whole walls loose. Hop in the frog. Woo. I tell that bitch to come for me. I swear these under me. The hate and the devil keep jumping me. Back rows on me, keep me company. Hey, we did the most. Yeah, pull up and goes. Yeah, my diamonds a choker. Holding up fire with no holster. Read the ruler, diamond cooler. This a roller, not a mule. Dabbing on them like the usual. Magic with the brick do voodoo. Courtside with a bad bitch. Then I send the bitch through Uber. I'm young and rich and plus I'm bougie. I'm not stupid, so I keep the Uzi. Records on records, got backers on backers, so my money making my back ache. You got a low act rate. We from the north, yeah, that way. Fat cookie blunt in the ashtray. You bitches just national smash day. Hop in the limb, have a drag race. I let them birds take a bath, babe.
Raindrop, top, smoking no cook in the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up in the crock pot. Came from nothing to something, nigga. Don't try.
To say I overlove this hair would definitely be an understatement. I would highly recommend. I like the color, but I don't know how much I feel about the color with my complexion. But overall, this hair is beautiful. I would, of course, recommend. That lace was giving, y'all. Make sure you guys check out the description box below for any coupon codes and to order yours. Until next time, thank you guys so much for watching the Dash Squad.